Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to fold clothes and organize your clothes drawers better than KonMari method. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As you can see, I've been folding our clothes the KonMari way, but it doesn't seem effective for us. So here's our first example on how to fold a t-shirt. Later in this video, I will also show you how to fold long sleeves, kids sleeping set, sando, and shorts. So keep on watching! It looks more complicated than the usual folding, but it will be easier once you get used to it. See how much space I saved just by doing this? So now, let's proceed to my kids' clothes. You can also do this fold to any kind of clothes like socks, underwears, or even blankets. So here's the before and after photo of our drawers. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Until our next vlog, bye!